Oh, I don't know of anything. I don't know of anything.
Hold on a second. Look at those fucking birds are everywhere, dude. Hold on. You can't really see them though. There's like fucking 10,000 of them, dude. What the hell's the deal?
All right. Whoa! No! Leave us the fuck alone!
Look, Jojo! Oh shit! Look at! Oh my god!
God, dog.
Oh my god! They're fucking coming for you, bro. They don't even like you.
Look.
Holy shit!
Look at over.
Oh!
God, you fucking
Oh my god!
I wanted to hit one.
Yo, they are really coming for us. Holy shit!
Dude, that is so weird, man.
The luxurious life of Citrus Park or Citrus Falls.
JJ,
Don't
no.
you do it? Don't you litter around here? What's wrong with you? We pay almost $1,200 a month to live around all these fucking birds.
Hey, let me see the keys right quick.
Look at those fucking birds. They don't stop shitting everywhere.
I was thinking, I wonder how many of them shit on cars.
All of them do, bro.
What are you doing? You really filming?
Fucking around. This is documentary 101, bitch. Again, we had a wonderful day at work today. We did 5 cars, all fully diamond detail packages. Good couple $100, you know. Now we have a bunch of birds. I hear
Birds.
I hear
Fucking birds!
now our neighbors hate us.